This is my head. These are my ears. These are my eyes. This is my nose. These are my cheeks. This is my chin. This is my mouth. These are my teeth. This is my tongue. This is my neck. These are my shoulders and these are my hands. This is my elbow. This is my wrist. These are my fingers. This is my chest. This is my stomach. This is my thigh. This is my knee. This is my leg. This is my ankle. This is my foot. These are my toes and these are my body parts.
Yes, good morning students and welcome to the class. Today we are going to read? Yes, today we are going to read my body parts. And this is your second chapter in your Ev.S book. Just now, which song we have just listened? My body parts. Okay, so now start the body parts. Yes, our body has different parts. और we can say our body is made of different parts. हमारी जो body है वो बहुत सारे parts से मिलके बनी है. Let's see the name of the parts. Okay, see on the board and just speak with me. This is H-E-A-D, head. This is head. This is, what are these? Very good. Hair. H-A-I-R, hair. And what is this? Very good. Eyes. E-Y-E-I. What is this? Yes. What is this? Very good. E-A-R, ear. Then what is this? Nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Then what is this? Neck. N-E-C-K, neck. Then what is this? Yes? Chin. C-H-I-N, chin. And this? Chubby? Cheek. C-H-E-E-K, cheek. What is this? Elbow. E-L-B-O-W, elbow. What is this? C-H-E-S-T, chest. This? A-R-M, arm. This? H-A-N-D, hand. And these are our fingers. F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers. And this is K-N-E-E, knee. And what is this? This part is known as T-H-I-G-H, thigh. What is this? Thigh. And this body part is F-O-O-T, foot. And this is A-N-K-L-E, ankle. L-E-G, leg. And these are the T-O-E-S, toes. Yes, these are our body parts. Repeat again. Head, hair, eye, ear, cheek, chin, nose, neck, elbow, stomach, chest, arm, hand, fingers, thigh, knee, foot, ankle, jaws, leg. These are our body parts. Our body is made of these all parts. हमारी body इन सब parts से मिलके बनी है. I hope all of you understand. Okay. Just tell me, what is this? Yes, speak loudly. Nose. Very good. Okay, what is this? Yes, what is this? Ear. Very good. Then what is this? Teeth. Very good. Then what are these? Fingers. Very right. Good. Right answer. आपको सारे answers आते हैं. Very good. Okay, then tell me, what is this? Eyes. Very good. It means you understand this body part. Do you want to dance again in the same song? Do you want to dance with me? Okay, then stand up. Stand up fast and start dancing with me. Yes, stand up.
This is my head. These are my ears. These are my eyes. This is my nose. These are my cheeks. This is my chin. This is my mouth. These are my teeth. This is my tongue. This is my neck. These are my shoulders and these are my hands. This is my elbow. This is my wrist. These are my fingers. This is my chest. This is my stomach. This is my thigh. This is my knee. This is my leg. This is my ankle. This is my foot. These are my toes and these are my body parts.
Yes, friends. I hope you enjoy this video. So learn these all body parts at your home and you can just sing the same song at your home also.